Now, please help me welcome Dr. Anita Petruzzelli. She's going to be talking to you about legal support. Dr. Petruzzelli is from BodyLogicMD of Hartford, so please help me welcome Dr. Anita Petruzzelli.
Hi, I'm Anita Petruzzelli. I'm the owner of BodyLogic in Hartford, Connecticut. I joined BodyLogic in 2009, and I purchased BodyLogic in Hartford in 2011. As a competitive bodybuilder in college and medical school, I realized the importance of exercise, eating healthy, and vitamins and supplements. And as a board-certified OBGYN for over 15 years, I worked with midwives. My midwifery patients were really interested in an alternative and integrative approach to medicine, so I always embraced that. But when the Women's Health Initiative came out in 2002, I looked for a safe alternative for menopause for my patients because it was really important as an OBGYN to be able to help my patients, and also as a woman, I had some personal interest in that. So I went to Las Vegas and took Module 1 and learned about bioidentical hormones, and it was a really exciting module for me because I learned about bioidentical hormones and how I could help my patients. I took the other 5 modules, and I was really interested in putting it into practice. Alicia Stanton invited me to a chief medical officer luncheon in Orlando, Florida, and I was there. I met all these BodyLogic physicians who I'm proud to call my colleagues, and I was so excited to join BodyLogic. So at this point, if you haven't really decided you want to learn, want to join us at BodyLogic, I have one more compelling reason to do so, and that's legal support. When I first joined as an independent consultant, BodyLogic walked me through all the legal hoops. They told me how to set up a corporation, what type of corporation to set up, and how to do this. But when I purchased my franchise, it was a little bit more complicated legally, and there they were with me every step of the way. What happened to me, I want to share with you one of my personal stories about how the legal muscle of BodyLogic can help save your practice, because they saved my practice. I was still working full-time as an OBGYN, and I had an independent consultant who worked with me when I purchased the practice. She decided to leave the practice and take the patients with her, so she sent out a mass email to over 500 patients. And it was a really scary time for me because I didn't have the time or the money to fight a lengthy and costly legal battle. So my first phone call was to Patrick, and I was given some very good advice. We have a wonderful team led by Yvonne, and I don't know if anybody went to the legal seminar yesterday, but Yvonne just was phenomenal. I did not have one attorney, but probably a team of 5 attorneys. I like to call them team legal, who was with me every step of the way, answering every question I had. So in the end, they litigated successfully, kept all my patients, and I have a very successful practice. I'm a bigger practice than ever, and I'm actually looking for a partner. So I really am very thankful to Patrick, to Yvonne, and to BodyLogic. You heard about the support we had at BodyLogic. The other thing that BodyLogic did for me is that they called these 500 patients in a very short period of time and in a very sensitive matter. This could have been an awkward situation. We're able to communicate what happened with the practice, and they were able to retain all these patients for me as well. On a day-to-day basis, there's other things that the legal department does for me. We have probably over 13 contracts that, or waivers that patients sign. So if you don't know what to do with Medicare, how to opt out, advanced beneficiary, HIPAA compliance, record release, consents to treat, pellet consents, Yvonne prepares these documents for us. They're carefully read. They're updated based on state regulations and state rules. If you don't know how to prescribe, is HCG legal in your state for weight loss? What are the laws about testosterone, growth hormone? How do I discharge a patient from my practice? Can I sell supplements in my practice? Can I upgrade or charge more for tests? Yvonne's always email away from us. So it's a very, very helpful. Everyone knows how expensive it is to pay for an attorney. especially Patrick, because I don't want to say anything, but Patrick probably paid hundreds of thousands of dollars because it was quite a long process that I had to go through of no cost to me. But I am so grateful to Patrick, grateful to Yvonne, grateful to BodyLogic. And this is really my dream, to own a medical practice and to be able to do this, and I could not do it without BodyLogic. I just love everybody here, and I'm just so proud to be part of it.